Okay. Okay. 5. Okay. Okay, let's tap in. Let's tap in. Okay. Okay. All right. So let's get started. Let's get started. Okay. Who is here? I'm seeing one person before I start. Okay. Let me wait for everyone to come in and then we get started. Euro USD. Okay, I'm gonna start with Euro USD. Uh, Euro CAD, I mean. Okay, so I'm gonna do my thing. Okay, Euro CAD. Okay, do Euro CAD. Okay, so okay, okay, okay. So if we look at that, this one. Okay. So this one, we see a possible push down for this one. Before, so right now it's on a major support. So what I see with this is obviously it's on a major support. So it's likely to push and go up to this level. Okay. So that's if it doesn't break below here. So obviously if it breaks here, we know we're flying. Okay, so that's a good anticipation. So if it flies here in this level, so you can see this level has been touched for quite a bit. So this is what we call our demand and supply zone. That's why I put this thing over here. Okay, so because if you go all the way to this side, you'll see. Let me move this thing to there. So you see the market was obviously pushing down more along here. So much there was chaos around this area, and then it came here again. You can see the chaos was too much that the market, this level couldn't break, so it went up and then it bounced again. So this level is quite major. That's what I'm seeing. Okay, so it's likely to push right up yeah, this week. So we might be looking obviously for long-term buys for this. That's if it doesn't, if it goes below here, let's say this level below here, that's 1.5273. So if it drops below this level, we know we are going down. So I'll take it just down to this level. Let me just do that. Okay. I'll take it down to this level. Okay. So for this week, it looks like it might be playing around this area. Okay. All right. So yeah, we'll be looking at possible buys, but for now, we just wait. So it's still bearish for now. So if I go and check also higher time frame, so we know it's still like bearish, very bearish. But however, we know So you see, it's mostly red. So you know it's quite bearish. Bearish meaning it's going down. So obviously, or you wouldn't just buy here. So you just wait for the market. You see it's bouncing, obviously as I said there. So we just wait for that. Yeah, that's my basis for the Euro CAD. Okay. So any other pair, you can shout out your pair. While I grab something to. So you can give me a pair that you want us to look at. Okay, what's that? Alright. Okay, so guys, give me a pair that you want us to look at quickly, and I'll try to put it. Shift. Okay, let me look at that. Okay, let's put on some. Let's put in some vibe and we get it cracking. Okay. Open a window. Okay, my computer is taking a bit today. Just bear with me. Um, okay, let me do this. Okay, USD shift. Okay. Okay, so let me before I put that, I wanted just to put on some bit of some stuff. Okay. Okay, so I just want to put on some bit of music and then I just analyze with this. Okay, it's warmed up. Okay, so looking at this pair, already can see it sat here, it sat there. Oh, sorry for that. So it sat there, it sat over there, it sat over there. Uh, As you can see, I can like mostly like especially with these, I can look at any time frame. Okay, it's still the same thing. It's part of everything is part of a bigger picture. Okay, so again, we have our zones. It's good, like I mark them, and then we have another one. Okay, okay, so here's what we seeing on the market. Okay, so the market rejected. Let me put this here. So the market rejected this level. Let me put it in a different. So the market rejected this level here. Gosh. Okay, the market rejected this level. Once it rejected here again. Okay, then this thing is. So it rejected there. So what the market now is doing, it's mainly forming sort of like a head and shoulder. Okay. So what we see here, something that is similar to a head and shoulder. So if we do this, uh, me me put actually this. Okay, there's no channel. Okay, let me do this. In fact, okay, here's what the market did over here, and then it formed like some sort of head. Okay, okay, so we can see that if the market, this is obviously a strong level over here. So I would anticipate another another shoulder, just like this. Okay, so it could either go right down to here and bounce, because the reason I say that, the market has been moving on a downtrend the whole time anyway. So we know we are dealing with something that is moving down. So, however, if the market decides to break here, we are moving right to the top. Okay, so until the market decides to be here, for example, so this is another good level here. Okay, so if it decides to break this level here, we know we're going up. Okay, so we can see over here the market has been playing around here for quite a bit. So that's why you see here it's been rejecting. So since this has been, we can see it's been going bearish. So you can see downtrend, go, say downtrend, very bearish, bearish, pushes right down to the bottom and does this. You can see a nice bearish, very nice. So that's why I'm saying it should go down if it doesn't decide to break here. So if it decides obviously to go up, we'll take it up to there. It will mean it's deciding to change direction. However, we're still looking at our bears pushing down. Okay, so the first take profit, if you're gonna sell from here to there, I'll put my first take profit to here. So this will be my take profit, my first take profit. So if it, so you have something like this. TP, the first take profits will be here. Why am I saying that? Because your head. So our basically this is an inverted head and shoulder. Okay, it's forming a very inverted. So, but if it decides to, but don't be faked out by these head and shoulders and all of these. So just make sure you look at the overall way the market is going. So sometimes it could fake you out. A head and shoulder normally is telling us we are changing direction. So it could still go down. So that's why we have our stop losses wherever. So I'll take my take profits here, and then my second take profits would be here. I think I shared this with my students. If you're my students, you might know. I actually said we should be selling last week. But bear in mind, it could be turning because of this. Of this structure. Okay, it's very because if it breaks here, we know definitely our take profits will be here. Yeah, but for now, I would look at bears because we can see the market is pushing down, push down, push down, it pushed down. So as long as it hasn't given me any uptrends, I'm still going down. That's what I do, and then I put my stop losses here. So when the market opens up, like in fact I already did sell this one. So if it takes me out, I know my stop loss would be somewhere here. So let me put stop loss here. So my stop loss would be somewhere here. Okay, so and then so that's my first take profit. So I'll put my first take profit over here. Easy, easy, easy. Like, and not complicate the market. It's really not hard. Okay, so you can see how many pips. How many pips am I risking? I'm risking 57 to make 80. So that's 1:1.5. So my risk is intact. And then my second take profit will obviously be there. So yeah, that's what I see with that. And I would just be looking for sells when it opens up. That's what I would do. Okay. And then when the market decides to give us a change, then I'll obviously look for buys. Okay. So we don't try to predict the market, guys. So we look at the structure and then we accordingly. Okay. Okay. Next. So cat chef. Okay. So you said someone said cat chef. Okay. I'll definitely look at cat chef. Okay. Let me look at cat chef. Okay. Just have some. Okay, let me put my charger quickly. So my laptop charges. Okay, okay. So okay, let's get it going. So you said cat chef. Okay, so we finish with that. Okay, I'm gonna do my thing. Okay, and then I'll just look at, and then we'll talk or whatever. Okay, let me do cat chef. So yeah, is from BT, Mr. Toban Memela. So if you're into house music, he likes, that's his stuff. Okay. Okay. So where's Cat Chef? So it's probably on the live too. So if you want Mr. BT Memela, I can give you whatever your connections. Okay. So Cat Chef, I can look at any time frame, but let me just look at daily. I can do that if I want to. Okay, this is just if you're looking to enter, you don't really look at daily. So let me look at H1, or even yeah, H1 or H4, same thing. Okay, look at our level. Okay, good. Okay, good. That's good. So Cat Chef is basically, if you look at that, I'll explain it. Let me lift it down a bit. Okay. So you can see the market is waiting to go down. So you can see here, this is a very strong level. So if I go deep, a very strong level here. So if you see this level is quite strong. To move up, we're obviously pushing up. But because look at how this market like doesn't even go. We see whenever it comes to level, it goes down. Whenever it goes to this level, it goes down. It wants to go up and then it goes down. So this is obviously a very strong level. So the only thing you do, obviously wait for sells here. Okay. But don't just assume it's gonna sell because the market can also decide to just go up. Once it breaks this level, we are out. It's literally gonna go up. Okay. Okay, so that's good. And it's going down over here. If my basis for this week is I'm gonna wait, obviously I don't just enter. So this also this what it with me, I look at many indicators when it comes to trading. This here, this structure is basically telling us it's squeezing, and it's like basically the market wants to break. Okay, so and it's likely to break and move below. Okay, so this is just one of the patterns that you can see that tells you when the market is about to turn. Okay, it squeezes. You can see it squeezes inside like that. So it's basically squeezing the market to go down. So if you have something like this, um, normally can either go up, but normally over here, this one could be, it's telling us we are basically going down because of this level, firstly, and then obviously squeezing. So the momentum is finishing over here. Okay, so I would basically wait for to see some bears. Okay, let me. Okay, we haven't seen any bears right now, so I wouldn't be selling. So I'll just yeah, I'd wait. Um, in fact, I'd probably rather would have bought to somewhere here, but I'm late to enter now. In fact, I think we did this with with the students in my group, well, the beginner students. Yes, we did this analysis. We actually said we predicted it will turn here. I think yeah, I think yeah, I think one of you in the group or probably for the beginner for 2021. I think you guys yeah. In fact, yeah, it's part. Someone even gave me the analysis for my students. I think so. And then they said, I think the market was here, and then we predicted it was gonna bounce here and then go up. Okay, good. All right. So yeah, but now you can't. You see, this is a very good push. The momentum went like hard. Okay, so I would rather be buying a little bit here, and then when the market is showing me any sells, then I can go down. Okay, but anytime it could be turning. Remember, for me, I wouldn't buy here. It's a very strong level. So um, whether you're looking at any time frame here, it's just it hits. So it hits. 1, 2. You can see it here, it hits here. So obviously now this is another level. Even if you go to another, it always shows, okay? So, but you're still gonna have to wait. Yeah. So that's my basis for CAD. Outweighs for cells. Okay. Okay. GBP, JPY. Okay, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. Let me. Okay, I think some people are saying they're having load shedding issues. But I'm gonna try my best. Someone said GBP JPY. Sorry guys, I was like busy today with meetings back to back, so I need to eat. Sorry for eating now, but I have to eat. I have to attend to many things. Okay. Okay, let me look at it. Okay, it's still a good uptrend from what I can see. Okay, if we do that, easy call, easy call. So as you can see with this one, GBP JPY, you can see it's just resting there. It's ready to go up. Okay, as you can see, it's been going up for quite a bit, so you know it's a bullish. Okay, so you can see it's been bullish all the way. In fact, even from here, it's been bullish as hell. Okay, now it's caught up in this channel, which is also another squeeze. You see, it's being squeezed and stuff. So when it squeezes like this, it's telling us it wants to obviously change. Okay, normally with that, obviously it will want to go down. So I'd look to start looking for sales somewhere. Obviously not now. Now, if I were to buy, if I were to trade this, I would trade to buy. So once it gets to this level here, I'll look for buys. Simple, because it's obviously on an uptrend. It's on a squeezing channel which hasn't been like broken, so we're still inside. Okay, so there's no reason to be looking for obviously sells. Okay, so we know we still look until the market decides to leave, and then we decide. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm looking. So we see the market's sat down. It's sat down on the trend line. It's sat down on the resistance. It's a uptrend. You're just waiting for it to show signs of going up. It hasn't shown any signs. Okay. In fact, it's just settling. Okay. But if it decides to go down here, we know what to do with that. Okay. So it might be doing that. So yeah, as we can see, it's been it's up overall. It is an uptrend. So yeah, that's what we're looking to do. Okay. So wait for that, and then you enter once everything is aligned. Okay. I think that is that. Okay. So I know some people are having load shedding, or like in your countries or wherever. Okay. So I think maybe I can do one because the other people have load shedding, so they can. If you have one pay, other than that, we'll just stop the session. Do you have one pay? And then if not, I'll just. Okay, then that is it for the info today. And so thank you guys. Yeah, so that's my for that week, for this week. And yeah, all the best to everyone. I'm wishing you all the best. And yeah, I'll see. Oh yeah, wishing you a profitable week. Okay, cheers, 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 guys.